Cnfans versus Allchinabuy versus Sugargoo versus Hoobuy versus Oopbuy versus Loongbuy. Full agent review. In this video, we're doing a full review comparing Cnfans, Allchinabuy, Sugargoo, Hoobuy, Oopbuy, and Loongbuy to help you figure out which e-commerce agent is the best for your needs. So to get started, let's start with Cnfans, known for its focus on high-quality replicas. This platform has a wide range of products from electronics to clothing, but the catch is that the pricing is usually on the higher side compared to some others. However, the quality tends to justify the price. Their customer service is also known to be responsive, which adds to the reliability. Next, Allchinabuy, a favorite for many shoppers, look for a good balance between price and quality. Allchinabuy provides a variety of options, especially in fashion and gadgets, with some pretty good deals. One downside, however, is the inconsistent product quality from different sellers, which can be a hit or miss. Sugargoo is another popular option with a strong reputation for affordable prices. If you're looking for a budget-friendly choices, this is the one to consider. However, shipping times can be longer and the quality isn't always guaranteed. They do also have a lot of positive feedback from repeat buyers though. Hoobuy and Oopbuy, on the other hand, offer a more curated section of high-end replicas and specialized items. These sites tend to have a fewer options, but they focus on providing a premium experience for buyers willing to pay a little extra. Both sites have decent customer service but are best known for their consistency and quality. Finally, Loongbuy, which caters to others looking for an easier, less risky shopping experience. They offer competitive pricing and a solid variety of products, but again, be mindful of possible shipping delays and the fact that the prices might not always reflect the quality you're getting. In conclusion, if you're looking for a variety and budget options, Sugar Goo and All China Buy might be your best bet. For more premium replicas, Cnfans, Hoobuy, or Oopbuy would be worth exploring. So all you have to do is to choose wisely based on your priorities.